In my never-ending quest to buy cheap junk in the hope that it's going to work decently well, I picked up the Sunpak FlexPodDX Tripod locally at Best Buy quite a few months ago with a bunch of other stuff. You might have seen some of the videos. So we're going to take a look at this today. Let's get started. If this looks familiar, it probably is. Manfrotto makes a very similar looking tripod. I haven't used it. I think it's called the Pixi. Very similar layout, look to it, but this is a cheap rendition of it. Know that that's out there if you want to check it out. It just has the one height around 5.5 inches. These legs don't have enough tension to really have it much taller. Now they can, but it really depends on what surface you're using, if they're going to stay like that or not. But in general, you got the one height and that's it. Build quality is not amazing, however it is decent. It hasn't broken on me, and just generally, if you don't try to destroy it, it's not going to break probably. I was curious to see how the spring-loaded mechanism worked, so I took this all apart and I wanted to see if anything was really junky inside there. Anyways, let's take a look at all the pieces. Considering it's a spring-loaded mechanism, it's only going to be so tight, and when you're trying to have objects on the side angled, it's going to really depend on how heavy those are, if it's going to work or not. I did try putting some heavy cameras on here to see if it could work. It actually can when it's perfectly vertical. However, if you put the head to the side even a little bit, it's going to not have enough friction, tension to stay there. On the top here has an interesting triangle-shaped rubber piece that butts up to whatever it's being connected to, and it just works decently well, but I can see that it is wearing down quite a bit. The plastic on the inside where the metal piece connects to there. The leg sections are pretty thick. I haven't noticed any issues with those. They connect to the tripod area. There are 3 screws holding that bottom plate at the top. If you want to make it a little tighter, you probably want to tighten those 3 screws. There are rubber feet on the legs. They appear to be integrated in there, so it's not just like a little covering attached with adhesive, which is good. My main use case with this is for action cameras, cell phones, as long as I have the right adapter type of thing. The nice thing about this tripod is you can put it in different areas you might not be able to fit something else. And it's got this little lever here with a spring-loaded adjustment to have it fixed. And if the payload's not too heavy, it should work out okay. Works decently well. If I want a different angle for doing video stuff, I'd pull this out maybe because it's a little more stable than some of the other ones. If you stay within reason on what you're going to put on this tripod and how you're going to use it, it works decently well. I have no issues with it. Build quality is okay for what I paid, and I don't know, it's not too bad really, so I do use it, and it's not just sitting in a closet somewhere, so it works well enough. That was the Sunpak FlexPodDX Tripod, picked up at Best Buy. You could probably find it online pretty easily as well, maybe even cheaper. So anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. I'm Scott Photography Bonsai. If you did enjoy the video, please consider subscribing. That helps me out a lot. Likes and shares help out a lot as well. Thanks again.